Mokulyo no maendee na kukila kumana na wongeleku wa syiko sya Mauwau ala matakwatanaw'Aa kati wa Syanani Mauwau meuwetwa maendee na kukila nundu wa miile itailite na utumii wa maliu ma kuseuvya kana processed food ala mena syindu imwe syina uthuo kwa uima wa mwii wa mwenenthi ni kumana na kibalaeni yanda kivathukanio kuma muvyani wa uiti na utongoi wa kindini maendee kukulia si manenge syana syo maliu ala maumite miundani vamwe na kutumia maliu maseuvye ala meuwetwa maendee na kutuma syana imwe sikwatawa ni Mauwau matakwatanaw'Aa kana non-communicable diseases. Daniel Mongela no kutuelezea.
Kwa ivinda ya saa unenane yulu wa Mauwau matakwatanaw'Aa withitu ndwithiluka andu aima indi yu syana sya ukumu nini nilikite unenanya ni usu nundu mbingi syazo ni minite kwatu ni Mauwau usu kumana na miile mithuku.
The first thing God gave to people after creation was healthy food for healthy living. For God cares about physical well-being of all persons.
Ni kumana na mitu yesu ya miile vala atongo imama kanisa maendee na ukule asyai maisi miile ya syana syo na kwema kuinenga maliu ma kuseuvya kana processed food ala meuthuo matukani meke uthukanio meuwetwa maendee na kuongoza Kwongeleka kwa syiko sya Mauwau matakwatanaw'Aa.
The greatest risk factor for NCDs is consuming diets that are high in salt, saturated fats and oils, high in sugar, and that are high contents of agrochemicals and heavy metals. The main source of these unhealthy diets are highly processed foods and beverages.
Zile zingine unaisha processed food ni zile chakula zimepitia kwa mashini na zimekuwa process, zimepitia through a process kutengenezwa zikae in a different form. So for me as a nutritionist, I would always advise watu watumiange fresh foods. Fresh foods ziko na more advantage. That means nutrients zao ziko the content iko very intact. The other thing is whatever that you need itakuwa safe. That means itakuwa interfered with by any chemicals or anything else during the processed food. Now with the processed foods utapata most of the time ziko na a lot of chemicals, a lot of preservatives, ziko na a lot of other issues.
Kwena nilivoti ya WHO nikana kilungu cha miongo na yuluwa yana cha syana sya ukuwa ithi wa miaka 5 ni minite ukwatwa ni Mauwau matakwatanaw'Aa ku iku mbe wangili 12 kila mwaka siku sewa nthisi kivuthukanio.
Call for urgent measures by national and county governments to regulate the advertisement of unhealthy foods that are high in sugar, salt, and saturated fats and oils that are targeted at children. This is in recognition of the high level of prevalence of NCDs among the children, which was not the case in the past. We also recognize that many parents buy unhealthy foods due to pressure from their children. The regulations should curtail the placement of advertisements for foods high in the nutrients of concern near schools or during the watershed hours when children are likely to be consuming media.
Grace Nzelu ni daktari wa maundu ma miile va kauntini ya Masaku ulokuelesekana vena vata wasyai kuisya miile ya syana syo na kuinenga maliu muno ala maumite miundani mateo makothesya muno maliu ala maseuvya kana processed foods.
Kwa hivyo it's very important mama ama mzazi mwenye akona mtoto karibu anahakikisha ni aina gani ya chakula huyu mtoto anahitaji kula. Number 1, anafaa kukula vegetables, mboga kwa wingi. The reason as to why we are increasing these vegetables is because kuna ile kitu inaitwa fiber. Fiber inasaidianga kuhakikisha that hii chakula yenye mtoto anakula inadigestiwa polepole. Na ikidigestiwa polepole inahakikisha pia hizo sugar levels kwa mtoto zinafanya nini? Zinaincreasiwa polepole. So utapata by the end of the day mtoto anakula chakula kidogo lakini vegetables zikiwa mingi anashiba kwa haraka. Ile ingine, what kind of protein do you give your children? Ile protein unapea mtoto ni important sana kwa sababu during that time they are having their holiday, wanakuja kukaa nyumbani, so they need to replenish what they have been losing at school. That means unapata most of the time shule wanapata tu maharagwe, ndengu peke yake, na once in a week ama twice in a week wanakula nyama. So ina make sure that the amount of protein ya mtoto anakula inakuwa sufficiently enough.
Ku andu maendee na uthuo maumano na miile imwe mau mengine maendee na kukila ene ndi maendee na ukulwa makwatianie na matakitali undumwe na maofisa ma uima wa mwii kumana ni maliu mevala matailite kwitha maia kila ivinda. Daniel Mwongela, Mutungu TV, kumava kauntini ya Masako.